morning, this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's market update. We start in London, where a radical free market Westminster think tank has claimed that it can maintain welfare support and improve the financial power of low-income workers while scrapping nearly all mainstream tax the government currently imposes. The Institute of Economic Affairs said that the controversial proposal would see tax cuts worth 26% of income for the poorest 10% of the UK. Council tax, national insurance and inheritance tax are just some of 20 taxes that the IEA is looking to abolish, with a much simpler system taking their place. The proposals were launched in Westminster last night as part of a report on taxation, spending and economic growth. Shares and engineering markets lender Standard Chartered plummeted by 5% yesterday on the back of comments by Chief Exec Bill Winters, who called the company's performance not yet acceptable. Third quarter revenues were down at $3.5 billion from $3.6 billion in 2015. The company is expected to incur some heavy restructuring costs, topping some $3 billion, with some investors pulling away from the firm as expectations for continued challenging market conditions continue. Valeant have opened talks with Japanese pharmaceutical group Takeda, with the firm looking to acquire Salix Pharmaceuticals for around $10 billion. Negotiations are still in the early stages, as the deal could yet see major stumbling blocks. In commodity news, oil giant BP has experienced its 9th consecutive third quarterly drop in earnings, as falling crude oil prices have hit the company hard. Although various aspects of the firm exceeded expectations, total third quarter earnings were down by 49%. UK manufacturing figures released yesterday continue to show that the sterling's dip has lifted the manufacturing sector. PMI came in well above its long-term average at 50.1, with any figure above 50 denoting growth. In indices, the UK 100 closed down 32.5 points yesterday and has experienced a significant decline over the last week, now pricing around 6,884.8. The Germany 30 also experienced a sharp decline during trading yesterday, as the 187.4 occurred at the close. In corporate news, Microsoft has hit back at Google for exposing a security flaw in the Windows operating system, saying the disclosure put customers at risk. Broadcom, the chip maker, is nearing a deal to acquire network gear maker Brocade Communication System. In data, 8:55 a.m. German unemployment rate for October was released. 9 a.m. Eurozone market manufacturing PMI for October was announced. At 9:30 UK PMI construction data for October was revealed. And at 6 o'clock, US Fed's monetary policy statement is made. Thank you for listening.